den zweiten Menschen hier auf der Bühne für den zweiten Science-Film. Er steht schon bereit. Manish Pareek!
All right. There it is. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm not going to talk about chemistry. As I'm from the land of India, the land of Bollywood, I'm going to talk about a love story. So, as it reads, it is all about a good chemistry, whatever. So, okay, so you all must have heard this song, well, after looking at a couple, oh, those two have a very good chemistry between them. Have you heard this phrase or not? Yes? Nice. So, well, I was like, okay. So by the end of this talk, you will clearly know why do we have a good chemistry, not the arts, not the physics, whatever. No offense, by the way, I really appreciate art and physics, everything, okay? So, just don't kill me. So, here we go. This is a love story. And in every love story, there is a boy. Whoa. Yeah, so first let me introduce the characters. There's the boy. Hey, how does it work? Yeah, so as you can see, this is the boy in our story. For the chemist is halide, and for non-chemist is Arhal. So he does not look like quite a guy, he looks like shit, but he was not like this all the way down. In the past he was like really rich, but because of some bad addiction, he has lost all of his money and he has got now low self-esteem. But in the chemical term, this ring, sorry? Yeah, my girlfriend just keep calling me, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, so he has, this ring is like quite activated, but because of this X group, you know, X, it is losing all its electron density and it is making it very electron poor, thus very less activation. You know, you need like really activated things to get into love, because after that anyway you are going to fall down very bad. So after that, let's move on to our girl part. Well, the girl was just opposite to the boy. She was as cute as a little schlumpina. I'm sorry, schlumpina. Yeah, the girl is just opposite to the boy. She is rich. She has a lot of money to just give, you know, just. So, she's just, in the chemical terms, she has a lot of electrons. And it just likes to give away electrons, you know, in the club, in front of the stripper, I don't know, wherever she wants. So, what is the problem here? Well, the thing is, in this capitalist world, they cannot do meet, you know. She is like really poor, electronically poor, or having very low self-esteem, and here she is like really rich and likes to give away money, or in this case electrons, and here he is electronically poor, low self-esteem, low activation energy. Spam. How will they meet? Difficult. Even if he has like, even somehow they meet, he has a very low self-esteem to just go to her and ask her out. You know, like us, scientists, low self-esteem. You know, so in chemical terms, the activation barrier is too high. You know, I need to talk about chemistry as well. Like, what can I do? So, how can they meet? Only the intervention of God can help them meet. So, indeed, God does play his tricks. You know, in this case, we don't have God, we have Heck, who introduced the next character in this story. You know, he, by the way, also got the Nobel Prize for this discovery, so he deserves it. So, first, I will just give you, well, I just gave away this thing, but let me try it again. I hope it works. How does it work? No, it doesn't work. Does it work? Okay. I believe you guys. Anyway, so yeah, it's matters. And in this case, heavy metal. It's palladium. So it so happened that both of them had an affinity or the likeliness towards the metal. So they went to a metal concert. You know, here we have the artist Palladium, and here we have our micromolecular artist Palladium. So it so happened that God was like really playing the tricks with them. So it so happened that he invited one of the audience members to the stage. Bam. So here you can see that he's just talking to him, just motivating him to give away his the bad habits so that he can regain his past glory. And in the chemical terms, here you can see the palladium is getting in between the bad habits and our aryl halide. You know, so it so happened then again the God was in the favor of both of them to meet. So he again invited the girl on the stage, and it so happened that the girl was nothing but Orifina. So here you can see the artist is also interacting with the girl, and the boy is of course there in the side. So now here you can see the palladium has moved to the side. And now both of them are interacting, which was like really difficult for them in the normal circumstances. Here you can see the palladium is here and both of them are interacting. And suddenly, a very slow Bollywood music appears. And that was the moment when he knew that she might be the one for him, who can give him the past glory and past confidence. So they then started to date for some time. Dating time is nice. I remember my dating time, which never happened. Anyway, so on a very fateful day, when he got like his whole confidence back, he asked her to marry him, and on a very fateful day, they got coupled and gave over. But what's next? You don't know. For the Germany, I know about Indians, they will just stick together, but I don't know about the Western countries, you know. So, what next? So, right now there is a catalyst which can couple them, but there might be another catalyst tomorrow which can decouple them. So, life is more like chemistry. It's about love, it's about separation, it's about the reunion. Everything is chemistry. You can describe anything with chemistry. You know, with that, just a little tribute from India. That's what we have in our all Indian weddings, most of them. Oh, not this one. Sorry, this is the wrong thing. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one.